Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are officially live for the New York Asia Trading Futures session. Let's go. Either way, I am gonna be copy trading today. Sure. Yeah. Just so y'all know, we got about 26 minutes left until market open. What's kind of crazy is yesterday, we've just been going up. Any sort of bear move, like any move to the downside, was just getting bought up immediately by the bulls. That was Wednesday, so what is today going to be like? I don't know why, it's just bad, but I've just been bearish as of late. Maybe, part of it because I keep thinking that the market is overextended because we are at all-time highs, and it's it's just tough. So yeah, we have basically we're still sitting at all-time highs right now. All-time highs is at 27,137 and 2 quarters. Got market open in 6 minutes. We are above VWAP. We have a pivot down here at 26,990. So yesterday was kind of wild for the open. I actually did trade yesterday for one of my accounts that I hit the daily loss limit on. Was able to bring it back out of the hole. Very thankful for that. But we opened up here basically right here with the gap, right? So do we try to make a move back up to the gap, fill it? Because technically I don't know if overnight would be filling it, but we opened up here, and then I think some sort of news came out. We just dipped 100 points and then came back up. Dang, the market just kept selling from here. I actually took a short. I was up short up here 60 actually. Let me see if I can pull it up. There you go. Boom. So there's the proof in the pudding. I took short at 60. I don't know how it worked out so perfectly. I sat through here for a minute because this is the entry that I took. It came down, it came back up. I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna hold it. And then wow, we just absolutely decimated into the oblivion. But take that off. I'm gonna make sure I go trade the right account here. But yeah, that's where we're at now. So we have a potential. If the markets want to actually fill a gap fill up at 27,110. So I would assume that that's probably gonna draw the market open to maybe go bullish, but who knows? Sometimes it does the opposite. Sometimes the market has a gap and it's like, well, let me just go the opposite way for a couple 100 points before we rally back up. So right now, just try to be patient. Try keep my emotions under control as well. But yeah, geez, let me adjust this lighting for y'all here. Yeah, look at that. Much better. I am copy trading today, so I'm not trading 3 contracts. This is gonna be a copy trading 1 mini contract across 3 accounts. This is the current balance. We're at 52.19 50 for this one. Got 3 minutes until, 2 minutes and 15 seconds until market open. Gonna try to be see what we get. We do have news coming out, I think, at the first 15 minute of the open. Not the first 15 minute, but like at 45, basically quarter to top of the hour. We will have some news. It's a 3-star event, so should get some movement out of there. Crazy sell though. You ask me. We just kind of trickle right back down. I wonder how many people went long here and got stopped out, because this is ugly move. This right here, this is an account killer. because you try to get long here, long, and then you get stopped out. You finally get a break here, and you're like, oh, okay, finally, long, we're gonna come back up. Nope, we just keep coming right back down. The stair stepper death is what I call this, because getting long, and this could go both ways too. Trading the stair stepper of death is very dangerous if you are going against the trend, and it's kind of hard to sometimes just see it. Hindsight, you're like, oh, well, duh, it's going down. You know, you should have just shorted here and held until down here. It's, you know, easier said than done, right? But in practicality, putting it on paper and actually putting action into it, it can be a little bit tricky to trade, because it just keeps hitting new lows, and you're like, okay, let me try to, maybe this is the bottom, maybe the bottom, maybe this is bottom, maybe the bottom. And then once your account is gone fully, you're like, all right, let me go short. It's down here. We're obviously in a short now. You go short, you're like, yeah, it's finally working. Nope. And it comes right back up. "10 seconds to market open. Let's get this on the road." Here we go. Market open. We're moving down, ladies and gentlemen. One thing that I've always said this, that I hate about copy trading on Tradovate, is that you can't place bracket orders. So if I go turn it on, right? Watch. Multi-bracket orders, you won't see it, but gives me a notification that it's not supported in group trade mode. So I have to manually place my stop losses and take profits, which it's not like the worst thing to do, but it's just annoying to have to do it. I'd rather my stop loss be put in, because that's my safety net basically, because there's the chance you enter right in, the market could just spike, and then all of a sudden if it spikes in the wrong direction, you're out, you're done, which just sucks. We got ES flipping to the upside, breaking out of its range. Equivalent, ES is like up here, right up here. NASDAQ is down here, so looking like it wants to follow through. Doesn't seem like NASDAQ's wanting to go up. NASDAQ's holding it down. The ES kind of coming back down as well. NASDAQ is definitely holding ES down. We're going to move to the downside here. Do the bears take control and try to bring it back down to this pivot point? I mean, you're looking at 26,860s down here. We will see. Definitely have a divergence between ES and NASDAQ right now. ES is trying to break to the upside, and NASDAQ is trying to go to the downside. Who is going to be the leader today? Normally, I think ES is leading. So the two are not moving in congruence. Not the biggest fan of that. Turning VWAP into support here as well. I'm leaning a little bit more bearish than I am bullish, just because we haven't broken out, but doesn't mean that the bulls can't come through. Oh, here we go. Are they gonna flip it green? I think if they flip it green, bulls they take control. ES pushing, making. I know we're only like 2 minutes into it, but making new highs in the day. NASDAQ is not there yet. This is kind of mimicking yesterday's open. It sold and then it just rallied. Bulls are trying to come through. do want to take a short. We'll take a jab short here. See if I can get filled in. Just core hold for like a little quick tight stop loss. Probably should have marked it in here. I was kind of thinking about it, but I might be missing this trade here. We'll let it happen. There we go. Oh no. Oh damn, I'm definitely gonna miss this, huh? Let's see here. Finally got ES caving down as well. See if we can get this little quick tag in, and the market wants to take a dump. Come back to the bottom of this range here. Let's just test this pivot point here again. Need the bears to come in strong here. Just keep bringing it down. Doesn't seem like it's going to be happening yet. I might get stopped out. Stopped out. Let's make sure we kill the trade there. Right now we're down 208. I think the bears still have it. It's just going to take some time for it to... Probably should have waited for us to come test the highs up here again. Nasdaq's probably going to catch up with ES. Here we go. This is the chance for the bulls to break through. Break out of this range. They get the highs up here. Here we go. Got the two moving. Was Nasdaq gonna finally catch up to ES? Bulls are stepping in strong here. Will they get the break? Remember, we have Newsom in about 9 minutes too, so gotta be careful of that. I like this short though. I want to take it. Let's see, come on, get one more push up. Tag me in. Once I get tagged in, I'll put my take profit. But until then, we're gonna wait because right now it's not a bracket order, so whatever trade I put in, it's gonna get filled. So if I put a buy order here, that's gonna be a long entry. I don't want that. Now I'm gonna move back up. Looks like we're moving down. Missed my chance to get filled here. Oh, here it comes again. Oh, she hesitated. I think we still get filled in. Here we go. Oh, I get filled and it immediately comes back up. All right, stopped out. So now we are down 431. I don't know why I'm just so bearish. That's what I'm talking about. Oh no. Keep getting faked out. Bears do not want to come through. This is my last trade. We're done. We're down 862. We are gonna go ahead and just call it here. I don't know why I keep going short. I'm not in the right headspace, so we'll just call it here. But be careful if y'all trading. There's news coming out in 5 minutes. But we will see you guys.